Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 11 of question 1e. So we have x over sine squared x dx and we want to integrate this. Okay, so at the first glance, it may not look that it's actually a question that can be solved by integration by parts, but in fact, that's probably the best way here because um, substitution may be very complicated or maybe just it doesn't work, so it requires a lot of thinking. And obviously we can't use other methods such as reverse chain rule. So in this case, we can first rewrite this as x times cosec squared x dx, and now this looks like a product. And so as usual, we need to make two choices. So for u and then du dx, dv dx, v. So the choices are u and dv dx. So we let's say u is equal to x, and for dv dx we say it's equal to cosec squared x. So we chose them because we want du by dx and v to be simple functions, because they're going to be inside the integral, so they can be integrated easily, because the formula of integration by parts is uv minus du dx times v dx. So that's why we want du by dx and v be simple. So now du dx here is just 1, and then dv dx is the integral of cosec squared x, which is a standard result, and that's just equal to minus cot x. Therefore, we'll have x times minus cot x, which is minus x cot x outside, and inside is simply minus cot x dx. Now, remember that, first of all, we can just take this negative out and just have x cot x plus cot x dx. And remember that cot x is one of the standard results that will be in the formula booklet. And cot x integrates to length mod sine x. So we'll have x cot x plus len mod sine x plus c. Actually, I need to correct this because so when we take the negative out, because here is not multiplication, so it doesn't affect minus x cot x, so it just remains negative. So it's only here before the integral that becomes positive. So the final answer is minus cot x plus len sine x plus c.